How to change video ratio to TikTok size on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you change the video to TikTok size on CapCut. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to open the application CapCut on your device. Alright, after you open the CapCut, you'll got such interface. So from here, tap on the option New Project. Alright, from here you'll have to just choose for the project or video whom you want to make or resize that for TikTok size. So after you choose it, tap on Add. Alright, after you added a video, here you can see this is not TikTok size for video. So now to change the video for TikTok size, you'll have to just scroll right from the bottom and from the option, tap on option Aspect Ratio. Alright, so from the ratio section, you can easily find the options like TikTok, where the ratio will be like 9:16. So simply tap and choose the TikTok logo from here. Alright, after you choose the TikTok ratio, you'll be able to easily find the ratio from the section. And now from here, you'll have to just resize that video for the TikTok size. So for that, tap on that video from here. Alright, after you choose it, you'll have to just drag it using your two finger, and from here you can easily resize your video. And after you completely resize your video, you'll have to just tap on the option done just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so after you done it, you can easily export this video on your device. So simply you can easily tap on that export option just at the top right corner, and from that way you can easily share that TikTok size video from your device to TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.